And we are back at it again right here at Brooks Landscaping in an exceptional fashion. We've completed this customer's landscape transformation with this beautiful landscape design that incorporated not only the beautiful Zeon Zoysia sod that you see here, but as well as our beautiful decorative gravel that allowed for us to be able to secure this customer's existing concrete slab, as well as this custom retaining wall that we backfilled with the beautiful decorative gravel. Now, in addition to that, we also came up with a way to deal with the water that was moving on this landscape by first tying in those gutter downspouts, but then focusing on where else the water was moving was just based on the natural grade of this landscape. So I came up with a design that allowed for my beautiful Zeon Zoysia to acquiesce into this beautiful custom dry creek bed that now catches that water that would have been moving on this landscape, guys, and takes it to the path of least resistance off the back side of the landscape. So when you start talking about ways in which we're solving customers' landscape drainage problems, and the reason we become so effective at what we do is outdoor landscape transformations like what you see here with this beautiful landscape design, one of a kind, absolutely solve this customer's landscape problem, and it gives them an outdoor landscape design that's going to last a lifetime, all brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could. Now, if you're a landscape professional, you're looking for a better way to grow your business, make sure you check out Landscape Geeks. But if you're a homeowner and you're in the Bentwater, Seven Hills, Paulding County area, and you need a way to solve your landscape problem on your property, look no further than the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. We've been solving landscape drainage problems and providing outdoor landscape enhancements for over a decade now, with hundreds of reviews and hundreds of before and after videos. Make sure you go to www.brookslandscaping.com so that you can see some of the amazing ways in which we've been able to solve our customers' landscape problems just like we did today, all brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping.